What if your bathroom felt like an immersive luxury retreat? Welcome back. Today, we are unlocking the ultimate bathroom design ideas. Look at these stunning 3D wavy tiles and glowing neon layers. It is pure architectural oasis. Want a powerful statement? Bold turquoise marble with intense gold veining is leading this year. Ready to transform your space into a stylish bathroom? Hit subscribe right now for more contemporary interior design secrets.
First, the hottest contemporary bathroom interior design trends 2026. This year is all about warm minimalism. Notice the earthy travertine textures and cozy ambient niches replacing cold chrome. We are also seeing gorgeous pastel accents, blending a fluted blush pink vanity with timeless white marble creates a beautiful, sophisticated balance in any contemporary bathroom design. Another massive trend is the dramatic bathroom accent wall. Using deeply veined black marble against moody charcoal stone gives your space an ultra-private, elite sanctuary feel. Arched geometries are dominating the contemporary interior scene. These stunning, backlit arched mirrors over luxury gold vessel sinks perfectly break up rigid, traditional tile lines. Finally, for 2026 trends, organic contrast is huge. Pairing deep charcoal vertical panels with a raw, natural wood wall behind a matte black tub provides an elite architectural edge. Let's explore modern master bathroom decor ideas. Your master bathroom should feel like a premium resort. Combining warm wood wrapping with sleek gray marble creates an expansive, cozy vibe. For an ultra-luxurious touch, consider a glass-enclosed wet room. Framing the freestanding white tub behind seamless glass panels maximizes the visual depth of a modern master bathroom. Never underestimate lighting layers. Here, triple vertical backlit mirrors amplify the natural light, casting a gorgeous glow across these linear, textured beige walls. If your style leans toward classic opulence, gold framing around pristine marble panels is the ultimate choice. It elevates standard plumbing into an artistic expression of luxury. Translucent, backlit onyx stone walls are a major flex for master suites. This integrated illumination turns the entire wall into a soft, glowing canvas of pure sophistication. Want dramatic penthouse luxury? Try a statement, tiered gold chandelier hovering over your tub, contrasted beautifully against rich, dark marble walls and high ceilings. Or embrace raw contemporary architecture using a massive split-face stone wall. Properly lit by floor uplighting, it creates an unmatched spa aesthetic next to panoramic windows. Now for game-changing, modern small bathroom design tips. The secret to small bathroom design is using bold textures to distract the eye, like this 3D geometric block wall. Another pro tip is using wall-mounted faucets. Elevating the fixtures off the counter frees up precious vanity space, keeping your contemporary lines exceptionally clean. Maximize your vertical lines. Using narrow, stacked slate tiles draws the eye upward, making a compact layout feel significantly taller, and much grander. Ditch the bulky shower curbs. Implementing a continuous floor plane with a seamless glass panel keeps the sightlines open, giving a fluid, spacious feel. Frame your windows intentionally. By cladding the window area in a contrasting black marble trim, you turn the urban view into a live piece of art. Finally, lean into mixed materials. An industrial exposed brick wall, paired with warm wicker baskets, proves small spaces can pack huge character. Let's dive into the innovative master bath modular system. This focuses on smart, adaptable, prefabricated layouts where the wet room and vanity are engineered for effortless flow. A key feature of a smart master bath modular setup is interchangeability. You can seamlessly transition from organic wood slats to marble slabs without breaking design continuity. It also allows for neoclassical elegance. Look how beautifully these book-matched marble zones integrate with sleek, high-gloss black panels and classic chrome pedestal basins. This modular approach allows custom integrations, like safely embedding a linear fireplace right into the stone vanity, surrounded by a serene bed of river pebbles. With perfectly engineered elements, you can easily orient your freestanding tub to capture majestic panoramic views, keeping all plumbing hidden in elegant marble niches. It makes adapting unique color stories easy. These warm ochre tiles provide a stunning backdrop for a sculptural bronze bathtub, framing nature through a circular window. For the ultimate contemporary statement, try a monochromatic split. Black marble modules on one side, white marble on the other. It's balanced, geometric, and timeless. Finally, how to make your bathroom look contemporary on a budget. One of the best bathroom decorating ideas is using affordable ceramic tiles in a green herringbone pattern. Another budget hack is using terrazzo porcelain tiles on the lower wall. It gives you that trendy, textured look, especially when combined with simple wooden cubbies. Want a luxury wood look without the price? Use moisture-resistant fluted panels to create a gorgeous feature wall behind your vanity. It adds instant depth.
So, which of these luxury designs speaks to your personal style? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this tour, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who appreciates fine interiors, and don't forget to subscribe to join our exclusive community of design lovers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next space.